Today, August 12, 2025, Figure AI dropped a video that could become a defining moment for humanoid robotics. Their flagship humanoid, Figure 02, was shown folding laundry fully autonomously, no teleoperation, no step-by-step programming, just a neural network doing the work. CEO Brett Adcock described it simply. For the first time, a humanoid robot can fold laundry using a neural net. We made no changes to the Helix architecture, only new data. And here's the kicker, this isn't some lab trick. The same Helix AI model that was powering Figure 02 on a BMW production line just weeks ago is now folding towels. No architecture tweaks, no hyperparameter tuning, just a new dataset. From warehouses to the laundry room, with the same AI brain. Helix is Figure's Vision Language Action, VLA, model. Earlier this summer, it spent an hour reorienting packages autonomously in a logistics setting. Now, without any redesign, it's folding towels with human-like dexterity. It can pick towels from a mixed pile, adjust folding strategies based on starting shape, recover from multi-pick mistakes, pinch corners, trace edges, and untangle fabric before folding. And it does this without explicit object models, a huge deal when working with deformable, unpredictable materials like fabric. Why laundry is harder than it looks. For a person, folding laundry is second nature. For a robot, it's chaos. Towels wrinkle, shift, and fold unpredictably. There's no perfect grasp point, and even a finger slip can ruin the fold. To succeed, a humanoid needs real-time adaptability, fine motor control, and seamless integration between vision, touch, and motion planning. That's what makes this demo more than a party trick. It's a sign that humanoids are learning to deal with the messy, unscripted reality of human life. June 2025, the BMW Factory Marathon. But laundry isn't the only headline for Figure AI this summer. Back in June, the company announced that Figure 02 had completed a 20-hour continuous shift at BMW's X3 production line in Spartanburg, South Carolina. This was the first known instance of a humanoid robot working back-to-back shifts in a real-world, high-intensity industrial environment. A time-lapse video showed the robot methodically moving bodywork components from carts to jigs for welding. While the task was repetitive, the achievement was historic, 20 hours straight without interruption in a noisy, unpredictable factory. From skepticism to proof. Earlier in the year, some reports claimed Figure's BMW work was just a small pilot program. Figure pushed back hard, insisting it was real-world deployment. The 20-hour shift video was their answer, proof that Figure 02 can perform, and perform for a long time. Adcock revealed that these extended shifts followed weeks of 10-hour tests, and hinted that a second customer, likely UPS, is already on board. The technology behind the breakthroughs. Figure 02 has evolved quickly. In 2025, it gained a natural human-like walking gait, powered by a unified neural network handling vision, planning, manipulation, and mobility. This architecture allows it to learn from real-world feedback and generalize to new environments, whether that's a BMW assembly line or your laundry basket. This is key to Figure's long-term strategy. One robot, one brain, many jobs. Why this matters for the future of work. For decades, experts doubted whether humanoids could function in human-designed spaces. Power limitations, fragility, and task specialization were seen as deal-breakers. But Figure's progress, from 20-hour industrial shifts to precision laundry folding, shows those barriers are falling. If a single humanoid architecture can handle both heavy-duty industrial labor and delicate household chores, we may be looking at the first true general-purpose humanoid worker. The global humanoid race. The competition is fierce. Agility Robotics is rolling out Digit for warehouse tasks with Amazon. Boston Dynamics just launched an all-electric Atlas optimized for industrial use, with a more practical form factor, faster joints, and a fully electric powertrain. China's UB Tech has humanoids working on Zeekr EV production lines, marking the country's first large-scale humanoid deployment in automotive manufacturing. And then there's Tesla's Optimus. A year ago, in 2024, Tesla released a video of Optimus folding laundry in a controlled lab, a performance that looked eerily similar to Figure's demo today. But in 2025, the updates have been even more striking. New videos show Optimus manipulating objects with greater dexterity than before, smoother grasping, improved hand articulation, faster folding sequences, and the ability to coordinate both hands in complex tasks. Trained through Tesla's vast simulation infrastructure, reportedly using the same AI stack as its self-driving cars, Optimus is being positioned not just as a factory assistant, but as a multi-purpose household and industrial robot. Figure still stands out for pushing toward full autonomy in live deployments, but the race between these humanoid contenders is clearly accelerating. From here on, it's about scale. If Figure can replicate these results across customers and tasks, humanoids could move from rare demos to everyday tools in factories, warehouses, and maybe even homes. Today's laundry folding demo may seem small compared to a 20-hour factory shift, but in robotics, it's a sign of something bigger: robots that can adapt to anything you throw at them. The BMW shift showed endurance. The laundry demo shows dexterity. Together, they paint a picture of humanoids that can truly work alongside us, all day, every day, in almost any environment. The future of work might not just be automated. It might be folding your laundry too.